Hey, what's up guys? So recently I got my hands on Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I had heard a lot about it, that it is beautiful, and I watched some videos as well about its beautiful AMOLED display and all that. But you really appreciate what Samsung has done here with this band when you experience it firsthand. So in this video I want to talk about 5 such features that are very refreshing on a Galaxy Fit 3, and no, the display is not included in them. Yes, the display is beautiful, it's AMOLED, it's 1.6 inches now as compared to the 1.1 inches on Galaxy Fit 2, but that's not included. So let's get started. The first thing that I want to talk about is the new band attachment. So this is proprietary band attachment on this band, and actually this band came before Galaxy Watch Ultra, but it has the same attachment. So you press this button and the band comes off. So this makes it really easy to change bands on this fitness tracker. Next thing that Samsung has done here is the software. Now this is not running on Wear OS software, but if you start using it, you would not see much difference between the software on this device and on Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now this is running Samsung software, I think it is RTOS, but they have made it look so similar to Wear OS or One UI 6 version on their Galaxy Watch Ultra that you can you can be fooled here. So just look at here, the menus look similar, the icons look similar. If you go in them, everything is very similar to One UI on this tracker. So if you go in quick settings, they look absolutely similar to their One UI 6 version running on Galaxy Watch Ultra. So they've done some amazing job. It's really fascinating using a fitness tracker with a software that is so polished and so well implemented. Now that we are talking about software, so I'm going to continue on with the software, and the next feature that I want to talk about is the animations that they have added that makes using the software really fun. Now here, if I swipe up, you will see how it comes into view, how the apps come into view. They zoom into the view and then zoom out. This makes it really fluid, and I'm really enjoying using this software. Same is the case with the quick settings. So that's the animations. Samsung is finally thinking about animations here, so I'm really glad that they are implementing all these different changes. So here even you can see that the apps just swipe away in a one fluid motion, which is just beautiful to use on this fitness tracker. So that's a lot of thought going into the software on this device. Next thing that I want to talk about is the new aluminum frame of this tracker, which gives it a very premium look and very solid feel on the wrist. You don't feel like you are wearing a cheap tracker from some random company. It does stand out with the help of this aluminum finish and this aluminum frame, and I'm really happy that they have implemented all these changes along with the new proprietary bands that makes it really easy to switch between them, along with this frame. So it's just beautiful, and it comes in 3 colors. I think there is a silver color and a pink color if I'm not mistaken, and the body color matches the color of the band in other versions. So that is really cool. And the last thing that I want to talk about may not be such a big deal, but it solves such a major problem for people who are into USB-C ecosystem that I cannot let this slide. I have to mention it here. It is the new charger that they have included with this. It's a USB-C charger, so I don't have to look for USB-A slot anywhere. So this is magnetic now, and it just connects really easily with the band, finds its location itself, and pretty secure, I would say. And then a really fun thing you can do here is that because it's USB-C, you can just connect it to your phone and that will charge your band. And it's only 208 milliamp hour battery inside here. I'm guessing there won't be any problem charging it to full. And one more thing that I've noticed here is that if it's in landscape, it changes the location on always on display as well. So if you're putting it on the desk like this, it will show up like this. So that's really thoughtful from Samsung as well. Now it is still missing some key features that I will talk about in some other videos. Till then, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. So if you want to watch these videos, subscribe to the channel and also like this video. That really helps out the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.